You have a continuous feed to your camera using this little coupler. The problem with DSLR cameras is that, well, the batteries don't really last that long, especially if you're doing video shooting. It slides in just as a normal battery would. It does not fit. Every camera should have a little latch for this, so you can still close the camera like that. Read the description so you can see exactly which camera this is compatible with as well. The meat of the product, which is the converter box. So the Canon SL2 200D ACE6 model WPAC-08030V. Okay, so we've got our DSLR and we've got batteries. The problem with DSLR cameras is that, well, the batteries don't really last that long, especially if you're doing video shooting. So here is a battery. These cost about anywhere from 20 to 40 bucks depending on the brand. So the one solution for continuous recording on this is to get something called a dummy battery, and then you connect this as a dummy battery into your electrical outlet. This gives you a constant feed of power into your camera. So this is great for applications like interviews, long-term recording, time lapses, and so on. One extra benefit to this is that you can use the dummy battery to connect to a USB port, which means you can connect an external power bank, giving you portable power bank on the go for your camera. And in our case, if you're using a 3-in-1 shoe such as this is the Mini Nova, I believe. So this allows you the use of multiple shoe mount accessories at the same time, and currently this is the only splitter that's available. This is the Nova MQTHA. Attach 3 different items, hot shoes on your one DSLR. You can go and attach a power bank right here and attach a dummy battery, and you will have a continuous system with a light, a mic, and a power bank on your DSLR. Probably lasts something like 12 hours. Alright, so here is the package ACE6-8VA. Now, depending on the camera that you have, you may have to get a different model number. You can look in the description for various links to dummy batteries for different cameras. Inside the package, we have your DC coupler. This is the DR-E18. Read the description so you can see exactly which camera this is compatible with as well. This was shipped from China, so it did take quite a while to get here. It took maybe 24 days to arrive. In Canada, we didn't have the option to have Prime. So anyway, so this is the coupler. Then you have your power outlet, the meat of the product, which is the converter box. So this is your AC adapter, ACE6 model WPAC-08030V. So the output on this is 8 volts 3/8, and the input is 100 to 240 volts 50 to 60 hertz. So this goes in here. Now, we have not tried this on the camera. Make sure you get the correct model number, otherwise you are possibly going to burn the camera. 3-foot cord, yeah. So this is going to connect into here. Actually, I do have to say that this particular unit does not have the splitter for the USB. So this is unfortunate. These do come with the USB output, so there would be 2 extra wires coming out. So that's quite disappointing. But let's try and see if this actually fits in. So this is the Canon SL2 200D. So let's see if this fits. It slides in just as a normal battery would. It does not fit. So, uh-oh, and it's kind of stuck right now. Try the other way. Okay, it does fit. Here for a sec I thought it wasn't going to fit. So this does fit. Let me just quickly compare this with the regular battery. So you can see that it's pretty much the same. Now let's see if this actually works. Now, every camera should have a little latch for this, so you can still close the camera like that. You see? So now you have a continuous flow. So let's turn this on now. Okay, so now there should be power coming to the camera. Let's pull out the screen and turn it on. And voila, perfect, it does work. So there you go, you have a continuous feed to your camera using this little coupler. Great little device. Now again, one wish was that this had a USB out, and then that way we can connect this to a power bank, but we don't. So for this video, this is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can find the link to this item in the description, and I will see you guys on the next one. Marcin, out.